Create an opening inside the roof slope using the roof opening object. Define the vertices of the opening using Snap to Node features. Or by entering the length values for each of the segments. The identified area will be highlighted in red. Obtain the opening. Customize the opening using the polyline snap points. Or by utilizing the options in the Edit menu. If the opening is located on the perimeter, you can directly modify the roof slope. By adding nodes and repositioning the polyline vertices.